This is Tim McNulty with MarineMax Palm Beach. We are showing you the Sea Ray 230 nice bow rider with a 200 Mercury 4-stroke. Navy blue hull, a lot of seating, great summer family boat. Let's take a look. We're on the Sea Ray 230 SPX, powered with a 200 Mercury 4-stroke. Nice big swim platform. Easy walkthrough. You have a pop-up sun lounge on the aft. A lot of L-shaped seating on the starboard side. Port side, you've got a jumper seat and 2 pedestal seats. You have a nice helm layout. You have your Simrad electronics, full controls, analog gauges, fusion stereo. Also has a head, enclosed head with a little porta potty in there. Nice windshield, protect you from the wind, and this all closes up. And very entertaining plush upholstery on the bow. Gives you plenty of seating. 4 to 5 to 6 could easily sit up front. And then you have your helm, easily 10 people. It's a nice family summer inshore boat. We're here at MarineMax Palm Beach. This is the Sea Ray 230 SPX. Come and see us. Thank you.